Sabihin natin. And why? Alright, ready? And why? And why there's a fountain flowing? And why?
Bukit Gulaya.
No, I am asking if it's a kind of drink.
Oh. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Second day?
No.
Third game?
No.
Pambata?
No. This is everybody can do it.
Apat ng paa? Dalawang paa? May paa?
No.
Towels, oh, balik-balik na.
Ay, naku. Hindi ko na lang alam mo
14 sir.
Think about flies.
Gumagapang?
Yes.
Tinola, pinakbet.
No.
Fish.
No.
Rice.
No.
Tanungin mo muna siya, mainit ba?
Quiet.
Plates.
No.
Spoons and forks, tables, cars.
No, no, no. Does it have 4 legs?
Apat na paa?
Yes.
May pakpak?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, go! Pastor?
No.
Manang?
No.
No.
Pare, merong balahibo.
Meron.
May sungay.
Meron balahibo.
Ano pagkain?
Yes.
Ano ba yan? Fish?
Yeah.
Ano ba yun? Sinigang na tilapia?
No.
Yes.
Insecto, flies, bee,
Talungin mo!
mosquito.
They're probably number 1.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, you arrange yourself into 3.
What is this? Don't clear. Number 1, pick, back.
Boom 2.
Big.
Big. Pack. Bomb number 1.
Number 7.
Pack. Bomb. Number 7.
Number 11, pick, pack. Boom number 1. Number 8, pick, pack.
Bomb number 1.
Pick, pack. Boom number 8.
Okay, number 2, 6, 7, 8, and 11 are out.
Number 10, pick, pack. Boom.
Number 1.
Number 3.
Pick. Pack.
You did?
Number 1.
Number 1? Wait, you did. Everybody was talking.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, alright, ulit. Second 1.
Say by the bell.
Pick, pack.
Bomb number 1.
Pick, pack.
Bomb number 2. Boom.
Pick, pack.
Boom 4. Cake. Pack. Bomb 1.
Pick, pack.
Hindi matatapos yan.
beauty.